never was the same again. And when Peter met the Lord, and he left his boat, and he started to fishing for men. I may not be Peter or Paul, but one thing I can truly say, that when I met the Lord and made my choice, he definitely made a change.
Made a change in the way that I'm walking. He made a change in the way that I'm talking. All things passed away, behold, everything's new. Made a change in the life that I'm leading. I'm born again, set free, finally forgiven. If he can make a change in me, he can make a change in you.
Well, I've seen some old friends shaking their heads, cause they thought they'd never see the day when a sinner like me would praise the Lord, or bow my head to pray. Well, I'm not what I used to be. You see, my life has been rearranged. Well, it's nothing that I've done, but I have got someone. He definitely made a change.
Made a change in the way that I'm walking. He made a change in the way that I'm talking. All things passed away, behold, everything's new. Made a change in the life that I'm leading. I'm born again, set free, finally forgiven. If he can make a change in me, he can make a change in you. He made a change in the way that I'm walking. He made a change in the way that I'm talking. All things passed away, behold, everything's new. He made a change in the life that I'm leading. I'm born again, set free, finally forgiven. If he can make a change in me, he can make a change in you.